Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to simplify a bracket with a complex term using the third index law. So here I've got a bracket with a somewhat complex term in the inside. It's got a couple of different things going on, and that whole bracket is to the power of 3. So first off, we're going to expand the bracket. We're going to get rid of the bracket by applying 3 to the power of 3 to everything on the inside of that bracket. So this is going to expand out to become 2 to the power of 3 times a to the power of 3 times b squared to the power of 3. Okay, remember these little dots, they represent times, and I like using them in algebra because if you actually put in times, they kind of look like x's and it can get confusing. Now we're going to do each bit separately. If the number part is easy enough to solve, do it. Okay, so 2 to the power of 3, that's 8. Times a to the power of 3, nothing has changed. And now I've got b to the power of 2 to the power of 3. Now remember our third index law. If we have a power to a power, we can multiply those powers to simplify it. So 2 to the power of 3 turns into 2 times 3. So we're going to have b to the power of 6. Now for my final answer, I'll get rid of those dots. So 8a cubed b 6. The same applies when we have a fraction. We still apply this power to everything on the inside. So the 3, the x squared, and the y to the power of 3. So this is going to simplify, or expand, sorry, we're going to get rid of the bracket first. This is going to expand out to become 3 to the power of 4, x to the power of 2 to the power of 4, I might put a dot in between, divided by y to the power of 3 to the power of 4. Let's see, that number part. I might just use my calculator here, see if it's simple enough. 3 to the power of 4, close bracket, 81. That's easy enough to write. 81. Times x squared to the power of 4. So a power of a power. We can use our third index law. We're just going to multiply these. So x times x to the power of 2 times 4 is 8. So x 8 divided by y to the power of 3 to the power of 4. I multiply these powers to simplify. 3 times 4 is 12. Y 12. So the answer is 81 x 8 over y 12. And that is how we simplify brackets with complex terms using the third index law.